Hello Virgo, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang dapat mong malaman, Virgo. Anong dapat mong malaman, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, Virgo. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pero tingnan natin kung anong dapat malaman ni Virgo. Ano pong dapat na malaman ni Virgo? Virgo, kung naiinis ka sa shuffle ko, pwede mo namang i-pass forward, okay? Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Anong dapat mong malaman, Virgo? Judgment card. May calling ka dito. May dapat kang gawin. O kailangan mong see. What is the King of Pentacles? Nine. What is tell mo? Two of Cups. Love na naman to. Virgo, you need to there's a final judgment here. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng judgment to. Page of Wands. There's a message or communication coming in, Virgo. Ano dapat mong malaman? Malaman regarding sa Two of Cups, upright. Clarify the judgment card for my Virgo. Clarify the judgment card. Eight of Pentacles at saka the Justice card. Ang combination na to, Virgo, is pambihira. Okay. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo. Para lang malaman mo. The Justice card at saka the Judgment card. Maybe you're dealing with a Libra. Doesn't have to be. Pero meron ka dito yung earth sign, meron kang water sign, okay, air sign, Libra specifically. But Virgo, sa nakita ko judgment at saka justice card, you're going to receive something here. Regarding sa trabaho, with the 8 of Pentacles. Yun ang dapat mong malaman. Okay. Merong nakadestined sa'yo dito with the justice card. Cause and effect. Okay, cause and effects, this is justice, this is all about the truth, equality, okay, balance, cause and effect, and then about a law, tungkol sa law. Hindi ko alam kung tungkol sa kontrata or something, but there is a final judgment here for you. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan, pero I will see. Clarify more about the judgment card. Chariot card, travel card, or something. Kung meron kang sasakyan na balak bilhin mo na. The ball is on your court. Kung meron kang sasakyan na gusto mong i-upgrade, it is on the air, manifestation mo, kung ano pa man ang gusto mong mangyari sa sasakyan mo. Pero sa mga Virgo naman na walang balak bumili ng sasakyan, this is a travel, moving ahead, moving forward into something. Okay, into some more positive. I think universe will let you know. Yan ang gusto mong, yan ang dapat mong malaman, Virgo. Meron ditong new opportunity for you when it regards to work or contract or law or something, moving forward. Okay, moving ahead into calmer water. Hindi naman to six of swords para sabihin kong moving into calmer water, pero ang chariot card is moving into a positive direction. Okay, kung ano man ang magiging judgment sa'yo ng universe, kung ano man ang magiging judgment sa'yo ni Lord, okay, it's all about work. Okay, yung creativity at saka productivity mo is gonna paid off. Yun ang magiging puhunan mo, Virgo. Okay, it's all about the contract, it's all about your karma. You are going to reap a good karma here. Bakit ko sinabing good karma? Kasi chariot card is a positive card, Virgo. Pero kung ang combination nito, kapag itong dalawa lang, tagilid tayo dyan, parang hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng karma ang marireceive mo regarding sa trabaho mo. Pero if you know that you are a good worker, you are a hard worker, wala kang transparent ka lagi, wala kang tinatagong kabulilyasuhan or something na masasabi nating karma is a bitch, you know. Pero this is a positive one. Sa nakikita ko dito, meron kang good karma regarding sa trabaho or regarding sa offer. Ang dami mong magiging option dito, actually. Makakasave ka dito with the Four of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Makakasave ka. Kung sa palagay mo, sa trabaho mo, parang hindi ka nakakasave, para bagang laging ubos, para bagang hindi ka nakakaipon. Lumabas na nga siya, lumipad lang. Ayan, may na-flip. Gets mo kung makakaipon ka na, Virgo. Makakaipon ka na. Ano man yung mga nawala mo from the, hindi nawala, but I mean yung mga nawaldas mo in mga walang kwenta, what I mean yung mga tawag dyan. Kasi meron kang karma card eh. Kung meron man nag-agrabyado sa'yo or something, King of Pentacles ulit. Merong someone dito, Virgo. There is someone. Hindi ko alam kung boss mo to or someone, basta. Someone sees your potential. Nakikitaan ka ng potential nito. Willing tong mag-support, Virgo. King of Pentacles, dalawa na sila. Ito ang isa sa mga, kung sino man yan para sa'yo, hindi ko alam kung makikilala mo pa lang or kilala mo na. Ang hint ko sa'yo about this person is going to offer you something na ikagaganda ng career mo, na ikagaganda ng financial aspect mo or department mo. Okay, this person is going to make sure na makakasave ka. This person is going to make sure na you will reap what you sow. If you are a good worker, if you are a good boss, if you are a good person, if you are a good something in general, genuine ka, transparent ka lagi, you're straight, this person is going to help you in any way, shape, or form. Willingness. Yung willingness ng King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is entrepreneurial mindset. Businessman or businesswoman mindset. Magaling ang arithmetic ng King of Pentacles. At saka, hindi siya sabi na magde-decide siya today tapos bukas iba yung action niya. It's not the King of Pentacles at all. King of Pentacles is a very stable one. Kung ano yung sinabi niya, paninindigan niya yun. King of Pentacles is an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They are, kung ano yung sinabi nila, kaya nilang panindigan yun. Gets mo ko? All the way, kahit kaano kahirap. You know what I mean, Virgo? This person is going to make sure na makakasave ka. This person is gonna help you move forward with the Chariot card, Justice card, and the Eight of Pentacles with the Judgment. Like, it's very clear, Virgo. Hindi ko lang alam kung nalalabuan ka pa dyan. Pero clear na clear yan. There is someone here who's going to help you about something. Hindi ko nasasabihin about something, pero this person is gonna help you about your career, about your financial aspect, about your financial department. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung sino man yan sa'yo. Ten of Pentacles. Sabi ko na nga ba, this person, siya ang magbibigay sa'yo ng way. So, magkakaroon ka ng multiple source of income. Okay. Or kung hindi naman, bibigyan kita ng isa pang scenario na nakukuha ko na napipick up ko dito sa Judgment card. Baka you are going to travel on somewhere. Okay. And nagpaplano ka to be your own boss. Okay. But you need to save something here. If you are desiring to make your own business, Virgo, ang isa lang masasabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko alam kung may budget ka or may budget ka, sapat ang budget mo or sakto ang budget mo, you need, with the Four of Pentacles here, you need to save it wisely. Okay? You need to choose wisely. But I think, either way, kahit na ikaw ay nagpaplanong maging your own boss, there is something or someone is going to help you out. Okay. Someone is going to help you out. Hindi ko alam kung meron kang partnership na parating or this person is going to offer you a partnership or basta merong person dito in the middle. In the middle of your journey. Kung nag-iisip kang maging boss, be your own boss. Or kung hindi naman, meron din akong scenario na pipick up na tutulungan ka niya regarding sa mga regarding sa trabahong deserve mo. Kasi this person is seeing your potential. This person already knows. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, bakit niya alam ang galawan mo, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Or maybe the way na magsalita ka, the way na makipag-communicate ka. This person sees about you. Meron siyang nakikita. Meron siyang feeling na sinasabi ng gut niya, sinasabi ng intuition niya na this person is going to fit in my business. This person is going to fit in. Parang feeling niya worth helping for. You know? Gets mo ko, Virgo? Clarify ko ang King of Pentacles. Ang clarification niya is 10 of Pentacles. Like, this person is going to give you multiple source of income, multiple ideas. If you already, kung meron ka ng ideas na sarili mo, siya ang mag-i-enhance nun. I mean, hindi ko naman sinabi na siya ang activator mo. What I mean is, isa lang siya sa mga tools na gagamitin ng universe sa'yo with the Judgment card and the Justice card. Si God or si Lord ang maglalagay ng mga taong kailangan mo. Pero meron ka ditong specific person on the way. Okay. Yeah. Page of Wands. What? Tell me more. I think this person, makikita mo siyang, yung communication niya is very immature. But at the same time, meron kang feeling na solid ang offer niya. Okay. Parang feeling ko skeptical ka at first, but Judgment card ulit. Damn it, Virgo. There is someone here, specific person. Lalaki, babae. Matanda, bata. Pero parang feeling ko mas ahead sa'yo. Okay, mas ahead siya sa'yo. Okay, or either way. Baka ikaw ang nakakakita on someone na may potential. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na may business na, ikaw ang Virgo na may something na meron kang gustong tulungan. You know what I mean? Do or die. Kasi nakikitaan mo siya ng potential. But if you are a Virgo that empleyado ka, na parang feeling mo walang nangyayari in a workplace, someone want to upgrade. Parang merong gustong i-level up ka. Or sa mga idea mo, magkakaroon ka ng mga epiphany or aha moment na magkakaroon ka ng mga idea. Ang daming idea na magpa-pop out sa'yo. Ibibigay sa'yo yan ng ano. Ibibigay ni Lord sa'yo yan. Judgment card, dalawa na. Like, seriously. Merong specific person dito na magiging katuwang mo in every step of the way. Virgo. Okay, 8 of Cups. Tell me more about the 8 of Cups. Together with the Strand card. What else? Confused ako. Travel card. You need to move, Virgo, in order for you to para maging Queen of Pentacles at the bottom. Saan nakikita ko dito, Virgo, you need to move away on something or someone here. Okay. You will take your power back here with the Queen of Cups together with the Strand card. Okay. If you move away on something, move away on what? Kasi ang 8 of Cups, mga Virgins, 8 of Cups is walking away into something that is no longer serving you. Yung mga BS, Brad, yung mga basura. Hindi ko naman sinabing basura kasi napakinabangan mo rin at the same time. But I mean, you already natutunan mo na kung anong dapat mong matutunan. So, you need to move. Kaya meron ka ditong final judgment. You need to move on what? You need to walk away on those people na pinapatulog ka. What I mean, tinatakpan yung mata mo. Sana nagigets mo ako, Virgo. Meron kasing specific person dito, or maybe person, or maybe community, or maybe, I don't know, family or friends, na pinapatulog ka lang, Brad. Nakita mo yung kabaong yan? Okay. You need to walk away on something. Kailangan mong magkakaroon ka dito ng final judgment, Virgo. Okay. Matagal ka na sigurong pinapatulog kung sino man yung mga nagpapatulog sa'yo. Kailangan mong gumising. Yung trumpet dito talagang grabe man, natututan ka, dili ka yung parang itatrumpet ka tapos wala kang gagawin. Like, really. Ano to ring the alarm na to. Gets mo ko? You need to walk away, Virgo! Magising ka na! Para bagang ganun ba? Na feeling. Kasi bakit ko nasabi yan? Meron ka na nitong travel card, moving into calmer water. At saka chariot card, like, together with the justice card. It's very clear for me, Virgo, na magigain mo lang ang power mo, you will take your power back once na ma-move away ka on a certain places, person, things. Okay. Matagal ka ng tulog, Virgo, or pinapatulog ka nito, or parang pinapainom ka ng sleeping pills para magstay ka lang on something. Okay, you need to take your power back, Virgo. You need to take your power back. You need to be wise. I think magigising ka sa turotot ng universe sa'yo. Okay. Magigising ka sa katotohanan. Tell me more. Tell me more about the walking away here. Tell me more about the walking away card. Dami. Dang. Ang walking away card mo is 5 of Swords, Page of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, at saka 3 of Wands. Someone is spying here for you. I mean, may nag-i-spy sa'yo, Virgo. Regarding sa spying thing, ang kinaklarify ko kasi ito, walking away card. Okay. There is an argument here or confrontation. Why are you going to walk away? Okay. And this person, when you walk away, this person is like obsessively spying on you. Bakit ko nasabi yan? You are on your power now. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mag-walk away ka lang, Brad. Makakamit mo ang dapat mong makamit. Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups together with the Strength card at saka 3 of Wands. Kita mo na sarili mo dito eh, once na mag-walk away ka. Kita mo na future mo dito, Brad. Okay. Kung sino man tong nagpapa-stuck sa'yo or nagpapatulog sa'yo or nagpapainom sa'yo ng sleeping pills para ma-stuck ka into the situation na pasok ka lang sa kabaong, Brad. Tuturututang ka ng universe ng magising ka tapos sasabihin mo, noon na lalabas na ko. Oo na. Mag-walk away ka, Virgo. And then after the walking away, may argument pang mangyayari. May drama pang mangyayari. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang magdadrama or the other person or group of people or I don't know who are you dealing with. But before you move away, Virgo, may dramang magaganap, Virgo. After the drama thing, someone is spying on you. Nakikitang moving away ka na or moving into calmer water and then you take your power back. Boom, 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 boom. You see yourself already. 3 of Wands is planning ahead. You are waiting on something here to take place. No, you are waiting for your ship to come in. Pero ang 3 of Wands, malapit na siya sa 4 of Wands. 4 of Wands is all about reconciliation, about celebration, about home, about completion as well. Mission accomplished. So, 4 of Wands for me. Nakikita mo na yung sarili mo with the 3 of Wands. 3 of Wands is planning ahead. This is myself, future self. Queen of Pentacles, I'm gonna be stable. I'm gonna pay my own bills. Do my own, and I'm stronger. I'm gonna come back or I'm not going to come back, but everything I do make me stronger more. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. With the Queen of Cups, you are going to love yourself more. Okay. Then nakita ko dito, instead na ibigay mo ang attention mo or energy mo sa mga taong no longer serving you with the 8 of Cups here, ibibigay mo na lang siya sa sarili mo. So, this person, hindi niya, with the spying card, hindi niya lubos maisip na how come that you are enjoying without me? How come na you take your power back? Okay, this person is like, kung sino man yung mga third person na dinidili mo, Virgo, it's an energy vampire. Okay, it's not what you think it is na real. Why? Kasi gusto nilang ma-stuck ka. Parehas nila, or kung nasan sila, dapat doon ka rin sa level nila. Huwag kang masyadong tataas ng konting hakbang, 1 inch na hakbang, hindi nila matanggap, Brad. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan sa'yo, partner, ex, lover, boss, I don't know. Pero kung sino man yung i-walk awayan mo na dapat needs to be walk away from, no longer serving you, things, places, people. Kasi the judgment mo, dalawa na, tapos meron kang justice card. Meron kang good karma na marireceive, Virgo, and someone is aware of that. So, Virgo, ay ano yun siya? Bakit ano yun? Ay, nahulog. Sorry, magician card pala yun. At saka ano to? 9 of, yeah. Dapat mo lang taasan ang boundary mo. Dapat walang makakaalam. This is a silent manifestation. But someone knows. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may nakakaalam or may nakakaamoy. But your manifestation is here. This person or group of people, kung sino man to sila, nararamdaman nila or baka nakakarinig sila ng mga plans. Okay. Hindi lang nila ma-confirm or hindi lang nila mailagay yung daliri nila, pero nararamdaman nila sa'yo energetically na you are doing something behind the scene. Ang taas ng pader mo, brad, ang taas ng bakod mo, hindi nila makita kung anong ginagawa mo behind the scene. Ayan o, diba? Your manifestation is like on the way and wala na silang magagawa dyan. Watch and learn. Okay, but ang nakikita ko dito, humble ka pa rin. Okay. So, which is a good thing. Hindi ka naman siguro talaga magigising kung hindi ka tatrampitan ng ng mga guides mo. Mga spirit guides mo. Clarify the two of cups. Ano naman to? Ba't yan nandito? Clarify the two of cups. But Virgo, masasabi ko lang there is one specific person. Okay? One specific person na magiging highlights sa journey mo. Kahit ano pa man ang pagdaanan mo, merong isang person na tutulong sa'yo, maliit man na bagay or malaki. Pero yun ang hint mo or yun ang clue mo if this person offer you something or maybe advice or makinig ka. Kasi this person, meron siyang something sa loob niya na kinikreate niya na image sa'yo. Yung future imagination niya na ano ka na nito, nakikitaan ka ng potential nito kung sino man yan sa'yo. Okay? So, two of cups or maybe ikaw yan. Nakakakita ka ng potential into someone. Okay? And you are planning on something. If you are a Virgo that is already stable at saka meron kang sariling business. Pero pag ikaw ang Virgo na thinking about being your own boss or I don't know, career na mas fit sa'yo, someone here is going to guide you. Specifically, one person. Okay. Clarify the two of cups. Why is it here? You need to move away, Virgo. Kasi yun ang final judgment mo Walk away into something to take your power back. Take your power back. Your manifestation is going to take place anyway. Keep manifesting, Virgo. Because it's already in the air. Okay. Parang sunod-sunod yung... Wait lang, nahulog siya. Two of Wands nahulog. Pero babalik ko pa rin siya kasi hindi pa ako ready magtanong. Like, you know what I mean, Virgo? Hopefully na ano nyo ako. Na-gets nyo ako. Clarify the two of cups. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands is... Well, sandali nga. Bago ang death card. Wheel of Fortune. Ace of Cups. Oh my God. Nahulog pa naman siya. Wait lang. Virgo, meron ka talagang love dito. Kahit na anong gawin ko. King of Swords. Two of Cups clarified by the Ace of Cups. Ay, sandali. Ito muna ang unang lumabas. Seven of Wands, Death card, the Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Cups at saka. Sa palagay mo kung ikaw talagang Virgo nanonood ng tarot, so alam mo nang pasunod-sunod. Someone here with the Two of Cups. May pinagdaanan na kayo nitong person na to. Ipagpalagay ko na sa past to ha, itong person na to. Sa mga Virgo na ayaw na ng past, ipagpalagay mong new person. Okay. Kasi nandito na to This is a message. Kung anong dapat mong malaman. Okay. For the Virgo, na meron ng relationship currently, maganda naman ng pinagdadaanan nyo. Merong sudden, romantic, dito. Kung meron ikaw ang Virgo na already married, nagkakaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, may apology coming in. Merong mas lalong may empowered ang iyong relationship with the Ace of Cups. Regarding sa apology nyo, equal give and take with the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, paglalaban nyo kung ano man ang relasyon meron kayo. Okay, kung may kailangan baguhin sa relationship, mga ugali or something, codependency, it will change with the Destiny card, with the Wheel of Fortune. Pero kung ikaw naman ang Virgo, na meron kang ex, Diyos ko Lord, masasabi ko lang, there's a return near. So, prepare yourself. Kasi itong person na to is talagang ipaglalaban niya, Brad, with the 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands is fighting from what you believe in. Wala akong pakialam kung anong sabihin ng ibang tao. You know what I mean? Okay? So, all I want is her. All I want is the Virgo. Virgo in my life. Like, Virgo thing. You know? Mag-a-apology ako kahit na alam kong matagal akong mag-apology. Aminado ko yan. Kakainin ko na lang ang ego ko at saka yung pride ko. Because I need this. Okay. And Virgo is my destiny and I know that. Hindi ko alam kung ano klaseng ex ba to or what. Para sa mga Virgo na may ex, someone is going to return. Okay, sa mga Virgo na nag-break up pa lang, fresh, merong magbabalik dito, magbabalik. Pero ang alam ko, ang galawan mo dito is very wise na. Utangan na ang galawan, utangan na ang pairal, hindi na puso. Okay, but this person is going to like try until you die. Yun ang ano niya dito. Try until you die. Okay. Kung wala kang itinanim, wala kang aanihin. Ang mentally nito kung sino man tong tao na to para sa'yo. Para naman sa mga Virgong naka-move on na yung ex, I'm sorry but Virgo na naghahanap ng new love, there is someone for you. New love. Okay. This person, kung sino man to siya, okay, new person coming in, Virgo, sa mga naghihintay ng new love, sa mga 10 years nang hiwalay, sa mga alam mong wala nang balikan, tsaka sa mga nag-expect ng new love for Virgos, na mga nag-expect ng new love, there is someone for you. Better. Okay. With the Ace of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune, hindi ka mai-stress out dito, pero ang masasabi ko lang sa taong to is like gusto niya yung way niya. Yun ang first impression mo sa kanya. Okay. Ang first impression mo sa kanya is gusto nitong taong nito to be in control lagi. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan mo yan, Virgo. Kasi Virgo, let's say, hindi naman masyadong controlling ang Virgo, but huwag mong tatanggalan ng control ang Virgo. Kasi may mga Virgo hindi talaga papayag. May mga Virgong, sige, try mo. Sige, pagbibigyan kita. Okay, fine. This is your year. Go. Pero, you know what I mean? Ang hint mo sa person na to, Virgo, if you are expecting new love, there is someone. Merong coming in sa'yo, Virgo. Pero ang una-una mo mapapansin sa kanya, nandun na nga ang love with the Two of Cups. Mapiperceive ka niya as your soulmate. Marami kayong similarities. Marami kayong parehas na gusto. But in some point, meron kayong hindi sa loob mo lang. Hindi ko naman sinasabing sasabihin mo siya like face to face. Pero parang feeling ko sa mga Virgo na nag-expect ng new love, meron kang makikilala, may parating sa iyo, but this person wants to be in control. Okay, magpapakita siya ng tunay niyang ugali, like little by little. You know what I mean? But the love is there. This person can pour into your cup, can fill your cup. Okay, same you do. Pero ang problema lang sa kanya is kailangan siyang in control. Okay, Virgo, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Meron kang new love coming in para sa mga Virgo nag-expect ng new love. Okay, and this person is like with the 7 of Wands. Hindi ko naman sinabing argumentative siya. Pero pinaglalaban lang niya kung ano yung alam niyang tama at alam niyang siyang magdadala ng sitwasyon. You know what I mean? With the Death card here, ang daming transformation. Okay, na magte-take place. So, let's see what is the advice here for my Virgos. You're very close to achieving your goal. A time for healing, definitely. Be bold and make the first move. So, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung saan ka mag-fit na scenario dyan. Have faith in your dreams. Ang dami mong dreams dito. Ay, hindi pala yun siya. Iba pala yun. Have faith in your dreams, Virgo. Kung ano man, baka dreams, kaya ako nasabi yung dreams. Pay attention to your dreams. Kung ano yung feeling mo, paggising mo, nung nanaginip ka. Sino yung mga taong nasa panaginip mo? Anong mga nakita mong color sa panaginip mo? Maraming meaning yan, Virgo. So, i-google mo na lang. Nandyan si Google. Halimbawa, na natutulog ka, nanaginip ka, meron kang bagay na nakita specifically. Tapos, meron kang color na nakita specifically or mga person sa panaginip mo. And then, there's a message. And, sa lahat ng mga bagay na nakita mo sa panaginip mo, sa lahat ng mga taong nakita mo sa panaginip mo, sa lahat ng mga kulay na nakita mo sa panaginip mo, merong mga meaning yan. Si Google ang sasagot. Hindi ko na nga yung one by one. Okay? 9, Virgo. Queen. Ang laging lumalabas sa iyo ang Queen. 948. Virgo 948. I-google mo yan. Angel message number. Meron kang message dyan. Baka ma-resonate sa iyong sitwasyon. So, Virgins, this is what I have for you. Sana po ay nag-get. Sa mga Virgo po na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching and bye for now.